If you already have NC-Simul, then you already have the air cutting optimization module that you may not be taking full advantage of yet. Utilize this to reduce your program's cycle times on the machine, quickly recouping your NC-Simul investment within the first year. Step 1 is to allow NC-Simul to run a baseline calculation, determining where the selected tools are outside of material, but still in a standard feed rate. The initial settings include how often you would like NC-Simul to segment the current tool paths, which G-codes and tool sequences to include, and a toggle to save the rest material at every block. Step 2 defines the air cutting optimization parameters, creating strategies for both milling and turning applications, which can be saved as templates for future projects. Determine the max feed rate you would like to achieve when the tool is outside of material, and create a safety zone to return to your originally programmed feed rates when approaching the previously machined or untouched material. The cut info will display the overall time savings, as well as a detailed tool-by-tool breakdown of time in and out of material. Graphically, you can see where Fmax feed rates are inserted, and the Compare option shows a side-by-side view of before and after the optimization that can be dynamically navigated via the code or charts. In purple, it highlights the blocks where feed rates will be rewritten. Step 3 is to create the new G-code file and simulation process. Simply click on Generate, and NC-Simul automatically inserts feed rate values into the code and creates a header indicating when the optimization was performed. Within the current project, a duplicate setup is constructed called Optimized, where it is already prepared to run the latest G-code, ensuring not to overwrite your original process. In this example, we were able to save an additional 4% of air cutting cycle time, which is substantial considering the tool was engaged during 54 of the 57 minutes. When applied to a typical production shop, with 10 machines working 260 days per year, the time savings from removing prove-outs and air cutting from the machine overhead cost adds up quickly. It becomes easy to quantify and justify a positive ROI, often returning well above the NC-Simul investment in just the first year. Since NC-Simul does not touch the part or change toolpath trajectories, any locked G-code from certified sources can still be air-cut optimized, saving you significant cycle time at the machine. If you want to go a step further and monitor and adjust feed rates based on material engagement or cutting forces, you can do so in the NC-Simul OptiTool and OptiPower modules, further increasing your return on investment.